Hey guys, my name is Mohammed Samir Mukhtar and I'm from Kenya, Nairobi. So guys, I know that you're interested in making money online and I'll show you how to make money online using affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't understand what is affiliate marketing, then let me explain to you a little bit about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is selling somebody else's product. Now, in this case, what we are doing, we'll be selling digital products for somebody else, okay? Not products we own, but we sell so that we can get a commission. Now, I've been doing this over so many years. I have trained so many people, and the people I've partnered with at the moment, they are doing it in a very different way, and I want you to be part of that. Now, what will happen is you will join a group. Once you click the link, I will explain to you what will happen so that you understand what you are getting yourself into. But just before I move into that, okay, I want to show you exactly what I have done so that you are not skeptical. You can see that these methods really work. I have helped several people with them, okay, and I will be guiding you throughout your journey of making money online on the internet. Now, I'm somebody who, you can approach me, you can contact me. All my contacts are below this video. So guys, just sit back and watch what I'm going to show you. Okay guys, so you can see these are my real results, 4,182 made from affiliate marketing, guys, okay? Selling different digital products, and this is what we'll be showing you how to do that. I have also done several sales of my own products, $4,085 made through sales of my own courses, okay? Now, you can see the last one is just on March 2021, $97 made by selling my coaching program, okay? Now, not only that, guys, you can see I have been in affiliate marketing for over 9 years now, okay? And I have helped so many people, 2014, all these people, 2008. I mean, these people, I started yesterday my coaching with Samir. I'm telling you that the right way is to do that, and all this, these are very proud moments for myself. And some of my recent comments, unit 4, 27 minutes video, just that, okay. Today, seriously, I got my first conversion. Thank you so much, okay. Now, so what will happen is once you click the link, which is just in the video description, you will come to this page here. What you need to do is you need to put your email address and join the Facebook group. Now, once you do that, you will come to this page here and it will tell you to whitelist this email and then request Facebook group access. Now, this Facebook group has over 76,000 people. I am already in. You will request to join this group. It will take you some time to get approved to the group. But once you have approved, you can see, guys, even now there is a live training going on. So there is a lot of training which is free for you guys, okay? What will happen is once you join, you're approved, come to guides here. And then you will follow with the guides from the first, guide, welcome, and how to use the group and training. It will explain to you how to use this group. This group has over 76,000 people, guys. So don't think that these 76,000 people are just here for the sake of being here. It's a lot of value, and that is why we are able to make this success, okay? Now, what happens is you will go through the guide 1, and they will show you how to create an OLSP account. You need to do that. Once you have created that OLSP account, you will log into your OLSP account and you will go to training units here, okay? Training units. Now, everything is here. These training units will guide you how to use the whole system, all the tools which are there. You will be able to understand how to use the whole system. You can see what is the OLSP, what is your mega link, network explained, the commission generator, how to make money basically, okay? Now there are a lot of trainings. All of this is free for you. Why you should build your list, okay? You know, our own traffic products, and all these units are free for you guys. This is the Warrior, which I was telling you how to work on the Warrior Plus, Warrior Forum. Everything is mentioned here. How to sell products on Warrior Plus. What is Warrior Plus? What is an EPC? Okay? How people that made sales during Warrior Plus launches and so on. Unit number 6, traffic hacks, OLSP, comment domination. So you will become a guru of affiliate marketing, guys, okay? Advanced list building, lesson 1, introduction to advanced list building, all these things, okay? And lead system pixel master. Some of them I have not even gone through this, so I'll be going through as well. Attraction marketing, how to pitch Facebook without actually pitching, how to flip somebody. You can see, guys, a lot of value, all free for you guys, okay? So don't waste time. Go on and click the link and do the necessary. Now, guys, this one will teach you how to be selling without you being pushy, without you being chasing people. Actually, you will be attracting people towards you and you will be making massive commissions, okay? Without even doing much, just following the tasks, you will be able to even earn points and make commissions. Now, everything is inside this members area, and the group here, you can see there's a lot of people who help one another. There's a lot of discussions, a lot of training, live trainings happening. Like right now, a training is happening which is live, okay, which is attended by almost over 48 people there. And so, guys, that is what this whole system is all about. Thank you, guys. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to my channel so that I can give you more ideas and I can give you more value. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video. Thank you.